Welcome to the Fortress of Sawdust. And in my own defense, it usually looks better than this, but let's just say you've caught me at a bad time. In here we make all kinds of things from wood, and on occasion from epoxy resin too. We make things like these. So why not hit subscribe, join the gang and see what we're going to make next. I'll have to pick that up.